Hello students, this is the third chapter of the class 7, 6 class students and part first. We have to discuss about the fiber. Have students have known about that we wear different kinds of the clothes. Party wear clothes, dress code, domestic codes and etc. Seasonable clothes or non-seasonable clothes. We wear various kinds of the clothes and the clothes are made by the different kinds of the fiber. First of all, we discuss about the fiber. What do you mean by the fiber? Fiber. Fiber is a thin and elasticable filament which is used to weave the cloth. What it? A thin filament which got from natural and synthetic way. So now the fibers are various types. In them, the fiber are two types. Two types. First is natural fiber and second is synthetic fiber. Now, next point is that natural fiber. What does mean by the natural fiber? First of all, we discuss about to the nature. The things, the the things which the substance or things which are obtained from the naturally way. What do you mean by naturally way? Those substance or things which are got from plant and animal and also the product are known as natural fiber. We got the natural fiber from the plants such as cotton fiber, jute fiber, and sun, hemp, etc. Fiber from plant. Jute, sun, hemp, cotton, etc. And the fiber which are obtained from the animals are animal fiber, such as wool and silk. There are only two types of the fiber which are get from the animals. Silk, wool is wool got from the hair or upper layer of the animals, and silk is get from the silkworm. Got it? Now next is that synthetic fiber. Have you known what is the synthetic fiber? Synthetic fiber mean artificial fiber. Artificial, that's the substance which are made by the human made or in a chemical process. The fiber which are got from chemical substance. These fiber also known as the artificial fiber. These fiber also known as artificial fiber. We make the artificial fiber or synthetic fiber via the polymerization method. Have you known about the polymerization? When a number of the molecules are numbers, when many numbers of the same kinds of the molecules are mixed to each other and get a product. Poly when a large number of molecules are mixed in a chemical process is known as polymerization. So all synthetic fiber are made up by the polymerization method. The synthetic fiber such as example that nylon, rayon, paracord, band-aid, etc. Got it? Now, hello students. One question is arise in our mind. What that how we form a cloth? You it's just for example, this T-shirt is made up of fiber, but how it is formed? Now, first of all, we get a fiber, and then first is twisting and compress. When this make yarn. Now this is the definition. When the fibers are twisted to each other with compressively, then it forms fiber. What is mean by the fiber? When the fibers are twisted to each other, many numbers of the fibers are or filaments are the twisted with compressively, they form a yarn. In Hindi में धागा. Now, next step is kinetic. When yarn are crossing to each other, they form fabric or cloth. Now, waving. Now, next step is waving. When two sides of the yarn are crossing to each other, they form a fabric, or this process known as the weaving. When two sides of yarn to cross each other, it is known as and form fabric, and this process is called weaving. Weaving can be completed by the two appliances. First is handloom, second is power handloom. When we make the salt minimum quantity of the fibers, we use the handloom process, and in a large quantity, we form a large quantity of the fabric, we use the power handloom appliance. Got it? Now, next next steps is how the why we need cloth. As you know that food is necessary for our growth, repairing and maintenance of our health, and next is air is also used to alive, used for our body to stay alive, and water is also used as our body to developing of health, and and storing the capacity, and also down the temperature, yeah, maintenance of the temperature, as well as the cloths also used for our daily life. We use the cloth for saving our body, protecting, protect our body from temperature. Okay? So we use various types of cloth. On this process, this method, the cloths are divided. Cloths are divided on seasonal conditions. We divided the cloths according to the seasonal process. First, such as we never wear the cotton cloths into the winter season. Why? Because cotton cloths never we absorb the air, so it transport the air, and we never wear the woolen cloths into the summer season, because in summer season cotton cloths woolen cloths give the temperature for our body, which is harmful for our health. Got it? Next is that, now next on tomorrow we provided the video on tomorrow, and now this is the first part, and next year the second part is started from 11 to 20. Got it? And now you say, share this video, subscribe, and also like us. Okay?